Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify multi-step checkout UI with Stripe Checkout Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To verify a multi-step checkout UI with Stripe Checkout, begin by ensuring you have a Stripe account set up. Log into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the Developers section. Here, you can create your API keys. Make note of your publishable key and secret key, as you will need these later. Next, set up a basic HTML file for your checkout UI. Include the necessary stripe.js library in the head section of your HTML file. Create a form and divide it into multiple steps, each representing a part of the checkout process. Add fields for customer information, shipping details, and payment information in different sections. Ensure you manage the visibility of these sections with buttons that allow users to navigate between steps. For each step, set up event listeners to validate the input fields. Once all fields are validated, allow users to proceed to the next step. On the final step, implement a button that triggers the Stripe checkout process. In your event listener for this button, create a token using Stripe's API. Make sure to include all necessary information, such as the amount, currency, and payment method details. Send this token to your server to process the payment securely. Once your server returns a success response, notify the user of their successful transaction. If any errors occurred during payment processing, display these errors clearly in the checkout UI. Stay consistent with the design and flow of the user interface to enhance the user experience. Finally, test your multi-step checkout thoroughly to ensure each step functions as intended. Check for edge cases, such as incomplete or incorrect information, and verify the process works smoothly. Once everything is working perfectly, you can confidently deploy your checkout UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.